If you're not leaned over the sink like this, it's a no. What you be thinking about when you be doing this?
Getting it done.
That's it.
That's it.
You ever think about anything else? Like, this is so tedious.
No.
Are you gonna start thinking it now since I said it?
Nah. It has to be done. I can't stand hair on my wings. I'm pretty sure don't nobody like hair on the wings.
So when'd you start cooking wings for real, for real?
I don't know.
What made you start cooking?
You?
So I encouraged the hobby, huh?
Yeah, because when we would go to bomb hours, they would make them right. Well, back in the day, between 2010 and 2016 and 2017, they made them right. Now they cook them the way they too hard
And they dry.
and they be dry.
You ask for them to be wet, and they bring them.
They bring me extra sauce.
Right.
I want you to like me. I don't want them to be raw, but I want them to be cooked the way where they just fall off the bone.
Right.
So I started cooking myself.
So now, it's like last week, Cliff was trying to be funny, y'all.
I wasn't trying to be funny. We didn't have no time to cook wings last week.
But you could have taken him out before you left. He said, I'm gonna get some wings. And so I knew in my head that he didn't mean he was gonna go cook wings or go to the store and buy them so that we can cook them. Correction, so that he can cook them. So my whole face turned up like I was disgusted. Because I knew that the wings, wherever he was gonna go, I knew they were gonna not be satisfying. And he went to Zaxby's and he had bought some wings and they were trash.
Yeah. Even reviving them didn't help.
They were trash and he wanted me to eat them after he had revived them. He was like, eat. So I tried, y'all. I tried. But I just couldn't eat all of them. They're nasty. So this is his way of making them. So as you see, you know, we've already thawed them out and now he's picking the hair and the excess skin off of it because, you know, that's just what you gotta do. You gotta put some TLC in it.
Some people just rinse them off and throw them in.
We're not some people. Correction, Cliff isn't some people.
Particularly about hair, you know.
Cause oh my gosh, Hooters? Have y'all ever had wings from Hooters? Wings from Hooters. They're not nasty, I'll say it that way. They just don't pick the hair off of theirs. Hooters they don't put the TLC in the chicken as you see Cliff doing. And if they do it, then we always get the batch where they don't do it. How about that?
You ain't got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings.
Cause see, he knows I prefer the drumettes. He's so trifling. He'll even them out, guys. Or else his plate will get flipped. So after he cleans them, then he seasons them. Am I allowed to show your seasoning? Okay. So on this part, we gonna
You're the only person to get that.
Okay, so I'm gonna end this clip right here. So now we got seasoned wings. And I believe his secret to keeping the wings from being dry.
Bake them.
So we wrap them up in foil. And then he bakes them. How long you bake them?
Till I smell them.
Okay. So there we go. So when he smells them, you smell them now? Okay. So when he smells them, then we'll take them out. Now he's adding in Le Buffalo sauce. He's gonna coat the pan. Buffalo sauce of your choosing. Cliff chooses this one. But you can choose whatever one you want. You may not like Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. You may not like it, but these are a few of our favorite things. To thin it out, we use I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah.
Hey,
take the chicken and he's going to put it in his sauce.
I'll let yours cook and take it out and then put mine in because mine has garlic.
So yeah, now the wings are gonna simmer in the sauce, and it's on low. It's medium. This is medium. It's medium. And then we'll come back and we'll put these in there. I guess that was hot, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So when you're taking the lid off, make sure you don't burn yourself.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.